What's up? Hi, hi, 여러분. 大家好.
Hello everyone, today I'm finally doing an unboxing of the wayvision merch. So me and my friend bought these stuff together. We both got, we are both content biased. So we got the mini like flip books with photo cards, and we got like 2 of cones and 2 of tens. So we have 1 of each. And then my friend decided she wanted to collect the film strips for both cone and 10. I don't really care about things like that because I don't really like storing them in the binder. I'm not a huge fan of transparent things. These are really cute. I wish I got 10s, but it's fine. I decided to just buy one of the photo books of her, and she can have both of the film strips that way without like having to buy 2 of the entire photo books. So we're gonna start from, I guess, these, because yeah, like you have like the little photo card in these and everything, and I'm really curious about these. These look really cute. So I'm gonna move them on the side for now, and we're gonna open these first. So I believe these are the same for every member. The only difference is the film strip. So here is 10's film strip. He looks so cute. Super cute. I really love this photo of him, the bottom one. Super cute. So let's just open the other one as well. So here's cones. He's adorable as well. Like the last photos are so freaking precious. Look at them. So cute. I really like this one as well. It's really cute. But yeah, you literally just get the film strip, so I don't really care about that. So she's gonna have both of these. And now both of these are the same, I think. Let's just like open on the first page. Yeah, these are the same. So I'm gonna move one to the side, and we can go through the commentary book, or like little photo book behind the scenes thing. So this is the front. The back, it's really cute. I love the like transparent cover on these with like little doodles. Super cute. So here we have the first page. Oh, and the pages are so thick. Oh my gosh, that is really thick. These are pretty thick as well. But yeah, so these are like all the behind the scenes photos, which I absolutely love. It's so cute. He looks so pretty. I love Win-Win so much. Oh my gosh, Yangi is so cute. Have you guys watched the Wayvision, the full season? Let me know what you think about it, which episode was your favorite, and which like activity that they were doing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Which activity they were doing was your favorite? Personally, I really liked, I believe this was Xiaojun's plan for the episode, when they were like had to like get through the, what do you call it, like a little what's the word for that, like they had to go from one place to another with the little like line in the middle, and they couldn't touch the what was underneath. That was pretty cool. I really like that one. But the pages are like kind of like sticking together. That is really cute. Love that. I wish it was more like a binder style so that I could pull some of the pages out and take photos of them. That would be really cool. I love these behind the scenes photos. It's so cute. Oh, and Kuntan is together. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, again, they're together. I love how they're putting Kuntan next to each other. Oh, that is a really pretty photo. This one. Oh, and there's a little diary. Oh, okay, so we're getting one for each day, I guess. That's pretty cool. So we have day 1. I don't know what it says. I'm gonna look up the translations on Twitter later, but yeah. Here's Ten's diary. Oh, Ten was writing Korean. That's nice. I guess he's a lot more comfortable in writing in Korean than Chinese, which is, you know, understandable. I wish he wrote this in English though. Okay, so Winwin also wrote a little bit in Korean, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna read that later. Oh, so most of them wrote in Korean. That's pretty cool. I wish Kun wrote in Korean as well. He literally just wrote Hwang Soo-si, Hwang Gwang-hong, and what does it say? I don't know what it says. But yeah, I wish all of them wrote in Korean so that I could understand what they're saying. But yeah, here we have Lucas. Oh my gosh, even Xiaojun wrote in Korean. That's so precious. Literally just one line with mistakes. I love this. Oh, that is so cute. So he wrote, 오늘 진짜 재밌었어요. Really cute. Xiaojin. See, the pages are like really sticky. I don't know what's going on. Henry wrote in Korean as well. That is so precious. So cute. And Yang Yang also wrote in Korean. That is really nice. So basically only Kwon didn't write anything in Korean, which is kind of upsetting since he is really good in Korean. Like, in my opinion, he's really good in Korean. Especially like recently. Oh my god, these photos. This one is so pretty. I love this, especially recently with all of the like NCT 2020 promotions. He actually got a lot better in Korean, in my opinion. That is such a cute photo. I need to send this photo to my friend. She's gonna love it. I'm not sure if she saw any unboxings of this, but she's gonna absolutely love that Xiaojun photo. I feel like I really want to rewatch Wayvision. Oh, this one she's gonna love as well. This is really pretty. Might be one of my favorite Xiaojun photos ever. Oh, I'm so in love with these photos. That was also one of my favorite things from Wayvision, when they were just on the boat singing together and having a good time. That was also pretty fun when they were playing the games. Oh, I love this photo. That is so cute. It reminds me a lot of the film strip. I'm really sorry I had to cut the video because there was like the water was boiling, so it was really loud. But there we are with day 2. And here is Kun's diary again all in Chinese. Next we have Ten's diary, which is all in Korean with some occasional English as always. Win-Win is also in Korean. Lucas is also in Korean, which is really nice. Xiaojun Xiaojun has also just one line in Korean. I love how Henry is just writing like, you know, how they write in Korean, and I think in Japanese as well. I love that. Oh, and Yang Yang wrote in English. That is so precious. Thank you so much, Yang Yi. So there we have, like, I guess, space for our commentary and diary, which I guess they could just put more photos instead of that. But there we have a photo of 2 Polaroids with all the signatures. Super precious. Wish I could have both of them. But yeah, that is everything for the commentary book. So let's move on to the little flip books. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Like, it literally just ripped. And it's not even fully open. I don't know what they were doing with that, but this is literally terrible. I really like keeping the original packagings of the items, so that is really a shame that it just ripped off like that. But here we have Ten's photo card. He's super cute, and here's the back. I love the backs of these cards as well. So yeah, that's the photo card. And here is the little flip book. So this is a slip cover. If I can sleep this out. Oh my gosh, it's literally not slipping out. What is going on? Oh, there we go. That is so hard to slip out. I'm not sure if I will be able to actually put it back in here. Okay, but there we go with the little flip book. So this is the front, the back, and this pine, which just says Wayvision A to Z made by Wavy. Okay, so this is like, I'm not gonna fully open that because I don't want to destroy it. So let's just look at all of the photos. That is so cute. Oh, sorry, I don't think it was in the camera. I'm terrible at doing this. Let's go again. So this is like all of the photos. I hope this is in focus actually. I can't really see. Let me look through the camera at this so that we can both appreciate the photos. Oh my gosh, why isn't it focusing? Hello? Oh my gosh, this is literally the worst. Okay, there we go. This is super cute. Do we want to like look through it like that maybe to make it a little faster? He's so good. Oh my gosh, this this is everything, this photo. He's so freaking precious. But yeah, that's the end of Ten's flipbook. So now let's move to phones. See, this one opened without any problems. I don't know what is going on. So this is Kuna's photo card. She's so pretty. And this is the flipbook, front and back. And this one also slipped a little bit easier than Ten's. So the front, the back, and the spine. I'm not sure how to do it. He's so cute. What is he doing? Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Stop. No, that is so cute. Look at him. Oh my gosh. He's so freaking cute. Please, this is my favorite photo. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. So yeah, I guess that is everything for this little haul, or like unboxing rather. Let me just put everything back in frame, if we can do it. Okay, I guess we're gonna go for it like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. Let me know if you got any of the Wayvision merch. If yes, let me know what you got, which flipbooks, which members, the commentary book, or whatever. If you got anything else, please let me know everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.